Okay, good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss some formulas. Okay, based upon this chapter, these are the very important formulas that we'll discuss today. So you can note down once I'll dictate these formulas and then you have to note down these formulas. Okay, all formulas are not mentioned in the book. Okay, yes Yuvraj, quickly. Some formulas are missing like quadrilateral, rhombus, parallelogram. These formulas are missing. Okay, but in the paper I'll give you questions from any of the concept. I can give you a question of parallelogram, either this rhombus or quadrilateral or rectangle. I can give you any question in the paper. So the triangle. First of all, we are finding out the area. Okay. First of all, tell me everyone what is the meaning of area. Quickly. Meaning of area. Pratham is awesome. Sit properly. Yes, Manvi. Good. Yes. Yes. I'm reading your messages. Love Dora, right. Very good. Yes. So first of all, I'm going to tell you what do I mean by area. Area, okay. These all are the formulas of area. So let's start with the area concept. Area is the amount of surface. The amount of surface enclosed by the figure. Amount of surface enclosed by the figure. In whatever the figure is there. Suppose this is a square. Okay. Amount of surface which is enclosed by this complete figure. That is known as area. Right? Area of square is equals to side square. Side multiplied by side. Area of rectangle is equals to length multiplied by breadth. Area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. Area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. Area of rhombus is equals to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Okay, this formula is not mentioned. Nimrat Kaur, sit properly in the class. Area of rhombus is equals to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Area of trapezium is equals to half into B1 plus B2 into H. If anyone will ask you what are B1, B2, so these are the parallel sides. Okay, Karmandeep, yes I'll tell you. Quadrilateral, half into height 1 plus height 2 multiplied by diagonal. Yesterday we have done this formula, quadrilateral in the class. Right? Circle, area of circle, pi r square. Okay, I'm going to make a shapes here. I'm going to draw figures here. Then everyone has to note down these in the notebooks. Okay, these all. Area of square. Okay, square is this, whose all sides are equal. Okay, rectangle. Rectangle is this, which is having this as a length and this as a breadth. And this is a side of, all are the sides of square. Right? This is a triangle. In triangle, this is a base and this is a height. Okay? Then parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. This is a base and this is a height. Right? Then trapezium. Sorry, rhombus. Rhombus is this. One student was asking them what is a diagonal. Diagonal 1, diagonal 2. This is diagonal. Diagonal. Okay, when two points are meeting each other, opposite points. And this is diagonal. This is D1, this is D2. Space is less, that's why the figures are small. It's visible to everyone. Is it visible to everyone? Okay, Hardik. Trapezium. Trapezium is this. We have discussed so many times the formula of trapezium. Okay, this can be B1, this will be B2 and this will be the height. Right? Then quadrilateral. Quadrilateral can be any shape of four-sided. Any shape. This is the diagonal D. Diagonal D. Okay. This will be the height H1 and this will be the height H2. Okay. And this complete is a diagonal. Right? Then circle. This is a circle. is known as radius. This is also a radius. If I draw this here, this is also a radius. Okay? From the center point to any point on the circle is known as radius. Gurleen Kaur, Anshulet Blossom. Yes, Neerav, ask. One more thing. Let me announce one more thing. Today, you have first of all note down all these formulas in your notebook. Okay, I'm giving you a minute. Note down all these formulas in your notebook. And who will leave the class if I will ask anyone to come on the mic and that student will leave the class before the time, that will be marked absent. Yesterday, I'm telling you, yesterday 9 to 10 students has left the class before time and they all have marked absent. Right? No one will leave the class before time. Right now, note down these formulas in your practice notebook. After that, go for the fair. Yes, I'm giving you a minute. Please note down these formulas quickly. Gurleen Kaur, switch on the video quickly. Niharika, 7th awesome. Switch on the video. Note down these formulas: square, rectangle, triangle, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, quadrilateral, circle. And polygons, you know that. What are polygons? Okay? In which we are having different kind of shapes. We used to split the shape into different kind. Neerav, no, note down. Quadrilateral. Let me draw quadrilateral again. Quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. Okay, this is the D diagonal. This is a height H1 and this is a height H2. Okay? Yes, Neerav. What doubt you are having? I'm asking about these formulas first of all, right? Yesterday, Ashima has called me. She was having some doubts in one exercise and she has taken all the doubts from me. If anyone will be having any doubt, they can call me in the evening. Right? You can call me in the evening for your doubts. I can understand whenever you start practicing at home, doubts will be possible. When you start practicing, ma'am, how this step we can solve, how this method we can implement. So please call me, whatever the major doubts you will be having. Chaitanya, just wait. Done these? Fine, Chaitanya, right. Okay, Aniket. Okay, so let's start with the questions, okay? Keep your practice notebooks with you. I'm going to give some questions. One by one we'll discuss in the class. Neerav, what I said? What I said, Neerav? Take your doubts anytime in the evening. I'm going to erase. Everyone has written all these formulas. Aditya Dabar, have you written all the formulas? Okay. Right. Yesterday, some students have not submitted the maths for your notebook to me. Today, after the class, everyone has to submit their maths PDF. Everyone has to submit the maths PDF today. Because after that, I'll not accept your notebooks. Okay, I'm giving you some questions now. Note down this thing. On Monday, you will be having test of this chapter. Test of chapter 11, you will be having test. Attendance is mandatory. Shraddha, I know those who have submitted the notebooks, I'm having those names. Monday you will be having test of this chapter 11, right? After that we'll start revision of the next chapters, chapter 1 and 2. Today I'm giving you, yesterday we have done revision of polygons, right? Polygons and quadrilateral, right? Today I'm going to discuss some questions based upon rhombus, parallelogram, right? Trapezium, right? Circle, okay? I'm going to discuss these questions today. Triangle also, right? Square, rectangle also. We'll discuss these questions today in the class. Okay, so now write down this first question. Note down this question and start doing. I'll ask this question. If the area of trapezium, is 50 centimeter square, if area of trapezium is given 50 centimeter square, okay, and with one parallel side is equals to 5 centimeter and height is equals to 10 centimeter. Find the length of other parallel side. Please find out this question. Very, very easy. Area of trapezium is given, right? One parallel side is given, right? Height is given. Okay, you have to find out the other parallel side. Write down the formula, put the values one by one and take out the answer. Arush, what I said? I'll take test of chapter 1 and 2 later on. First of all, I'm going to take test of this chapter on Monday. Chaitanya, right? We'll discuss later on. Yes, take out the answer. I'm going to ask. Yes, quickly. Question is very easy. Manvi, yes, take out. Yes. Manvi, correct. I'm reading your messages side by side. You keep on doing. Yes, Araf, correct. Quickly take out the answer, quickly. Yes. Tarmandeep, no, your answer is wrong. Chaitanya, right, very good. So let me tell you whose answers are absolutely correct, right? Dharya, no. Avika, Avika, your answer is correct. Anshika, no. Manvi, correct. Nikansh, correct. Anshika, no. Simarpreet, no. Shraddha, no. Avika, right. Chaitanya, right. Aniket, no. Tarmandeep, no. Very, very easy. Now see here, look here quickly, look here. Area of trapezium. What is area of trapezium? First of all, tell me the formula of area of trapezium. That is equals to half multiplied by B1 plus B2 into height. Area of trapezium is given 50 plus 1 by 2. Sorry, is equals to 1 by 2 multiplied by B1 is given 5 centimeter and B2 is not given. So let's suppose B2 as B2. B2 is not given, right? Height is given 10 centimeter. Okay? So I am going to cancel 2 with 10 because it is in multiplication. 2 5s are 10. Okay? 50 is equals to 5 plus B2 multiplied by 5. Now multiply 5 with every term. It is equals to 25 plus 5B2. Okay, here I am having 50. 25 will go that side. 50 minus 25 is equals to 5B2. It is equals to 50 minus 25. 25 is equals to 5B2. B2 will be here. 25 and 5 will go in denominator. 5 ones are 5 fives are. So therefore, the length of other parallel side is 5 centimeter. I know some has done the mistake here. Whether they have cancelled wrong or when they have not multiplied this 5. They have not multiplied this 5 with the bracket. First of all, see to it. No, this is in multiplication. Multiply. After multiplication, it will be 25 plus 5b2. Then 25 is constant. It will go that side. 5b2 will be here. Okay. After this, then you can divide the term and take out the answer. Chaitanya, if you have done with other method, doesn't matter. Okay, answer should be wrong. I told earlier. Yes, Manvi, you didn't cancel. No worries. Your answer is correct. Some students have not cancelled. They have multiplied 10 with this. Fine. After that, they have sent this 2 here. That is also absolutely correct. Okay. But some students has not multiplied this term with the bracket. That's why the answer was wrong. Okay, whose answers has correct? I know that. Nikansh, what you are saying? Doesn't matter, Nikansh. Parallel sides, they can be equal, they cannot be equal. Right, Nikansh? The parallel sides can be of the equal length or cannot be of the equal length. Avika, right. Chaitanya, right. No worries. It's right. Okay. Now, I'm giving you next question. Quickly. Yes, next question. This everyone has written test of chapter 1, 11, sorry, test of chapter 11 on Monday. Everyone has written this? Okay. Test will be of 25 marks or 20 marks. Okay? Marks I'll send to your parents. So the next question is, if the parallel sides of trapezium are 4.5 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter and the distance, now they have not mentioned, they have mentioned the word distance. The distance between them is 9 centimeter. Find the area of trapezium. Find the area of trapezium. Quickly do it. Do this question. It is very, very easy. Two parallel sides are given to you. Distance between the parallel side is what? Distance between the parallel side is what? Quickly tell me this thing. The distance between two parallel sides is very good. It is a height. It is a height. So parallel sides given, B1, B2 given, height given, find out the area. Quickly. Quickly. Yes, correct. Shraddha, Chaitanya, Hardik, your answers are correct. Very good. Very good. Manvi correct. Lakshita correct. Anshika correct. Abhinav right. Swayam right. Dharya, your answer is wrong. Check the calculation once again. Dharya. Love Dora right. Very good. Tushika. Yes, right. Yuvansh, your answer is wrong. Arav, what will be the units? Manushi correct. Dharya, no. Again wrong. Avni right. Krishna. Okay. Now see. Most of you has given the correct answer. Now see how we can solve this question. How we can solve this question? Area of trapezium. Again I told area of trapezium is 1 by 2 into B1 plus B2 into H. B1 and B2 are given. That is 4.5 plus 1.5. Multiply the height is given 9. 4.5 plus 1.5 is what? 4.5 plus 1.5 is what? 6. It will be 6.0 or you can write 6. It will be 6.0 or you can write 6. Okay, now 2 1s are 2 3s are. 3 9s are 27. Some has written only 27. 27 centimeter square. Area will always come in centimeter square. This is the answer. Vikrant, Chima and Arav. Have you solved this question? Very good. Those whose answers are same, very good. I am going to unmute you within few minutes, right? Okay. Now note down the next question quickly. Next question is, I'm giving you third question now, which is based upon the rhombus. Okay. Now, area of rhombus. The area of rhombus is given, that is 27 centimeter square. One more thing. In some questions, they will mention in this way. Area of rhombus is 27 square centimeter. They will mention in this way. Square centimeter. That is also, it means centimeter square. These two are same thing. Right? If in some question they will mention in this way square centimeter, that will be absolutely same. Centimeter square. Okay? With one diagonal is equals to 15 centimeter. So what is the length of other diagonal? What is the length of other diagonal? Quickly do it. Check it out the formula. What is the length of other diagonal? Okay, check it out the formula. Yes, the formula which I have told in the beginning. Area of rhombus is given and one diagonal is given. Find out the other diagonal. Solve it quickly. Those who are leaving the class, they will be marked absent. I am telling you. Ashima, Aditya Sasdeva, Krishna. Why the videos are off? Namasyu, Parth, Tarmandeep, Yuvraj Singh. Why the videos are off? Yes, they got the answer. Only one student has given the correct answer, that is Swayam. Swayam has given the correct answer. Rest everyone has given wrong answer. Why the calculation mistake is there? Hardik Rana, correct answer. It is simplest question, simplest. Manik, yes, correct. Chaitanya, no. Manvi, wrong. Do it quickly. Manvi, right answer is wrong. Nikansh, correct. Rest everyone has given wrong answer. Calculation mistake. Now check here. See. What was the formula of area of rhombus? I told in the beginning. Area of rhombus is equals to? Area of rhombus is equals to? Yes. Tell me everyone. Area of rhombus is equals to? Yes. 1 by 2 half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Okay, some has done plus. I think half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Area is how much? 27 is equals to 1 by 2 into diagonal 1 is 15 and diagonal 2 you have to find out. Okay, now diagonal 2 will be here. This 2 will go in numerator. This 15 will come in denominator. Right? In this way you have to solve. Check it out where you are doing mistake. 2 will go in numerator, 15 will come in denominator and D2 will be here only. Cancel on 3 table. 3 5s are and 3 9s are. 9 2s are 18 upon 5. Divide 18 upon 5. 18 upon 5. 5 3s are 15. 3s left 0.0. 5 6 are 30. Simplest question. And you are doing these many mistakes. Is equals to D2. So therefore D2 is equals to 18 upon 5 is equals to 3.6 centimeter. Only 5 to 6 students has done correct. You see to it. Tarmandeep, formula should be correct. I told earlier also formula should be correct. Okay? You can shift the value here and there in any way. Manvi, you see your mistake. Neerav, right? Yes. Okay? Now I'm giving you one more question. One more question I'm giving you. Note down this question. Question 4th. Quickly note down this question. This question is based upon parallelogram. Okay? Not parallelogram. parallelogram. Just wait. This question is easy. Let me give you other question. Okay. In a triangle, base is given as 30 centimeter and altitude is given. Now you must know that what is the meaning of altitude. Altitude is given as 10 centimeter. Find the area of triangle. Find the area of triangle. First of all, write down the formula of triangle and then do the question. Quickly. Fine, Tushika, fine. I have read your message. Simapreet, that you can discuss with me after the class. Okay. What is the altitude? First of all, tell me. Base is given and altitude is given. Altitude is what? Very good. That is height. Altitude is height. Now find out the question. Very good. It is very, very easy. Yes. One more question. One more question. Then we'll discuss both together. In a parallelogram, area is given. Area of parallelogram is given as 250 centimeter square. Okay. If base is 55 centimeter, find the height. Find the height of parallelogram. Find the height. Quickly. Yes. Parallelogram formula, you must know that. We have discussed in the beginning. Area of parallelogram is given. Base is given. Okay, find out the height. Yes, Nikansh, very good. Take out the answer quickly. I am solving this fourth question here. Okay, and then I'll solve this fifth question here. Fourth question is area of triangle. You can match your steps. Area of triangle is half into base into height. Okay. That is half into base is given 30 and altitude means height is given 10. So 2 5s are and 5 3s are 150 centimeter square. This is your answer. Okay. Now take out this question, fifth question, quickly. Area of parallelogram is given, base is given, find the height. Very good. Find out quickly. Manvi, Chaitanya, Neerav, Hardik, yes, correct. Abhinav, correct. Last 1 minute is left. Okay. And prepare your test for Monday. Attendance is very, very mandatory. And submit your maths notebook to me after the class. Those who are left. After today, I'll not accept the PDF. Manushi, no, your answer is wrong. Dipanshu, right. Yuvansh, wrong. Manik, yes, right. Swayam, right. I am writing this formula here, okay? Area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram formula is base into height. Base into height. Area is given 250. Base is given 55. And height you have to find out. So you have to divide 250 divided by 55 is equals to height. Okay, cancel it. And your answer will be 4.5 something centimeter is your height. Okay, area of parallelogram is base into height. Area of triangle is half into base into height. Okay, please learn the formulas with the figure. Okay, Abhudya Res, correct. So do your work properly, nicely at home. Go for the practice. Take your doubts from me. Call me in the evening. Okay, and take your doubts from me. Okay, but do your written practice. I just want that everyone should do paper very well, very nicely. Your concept should be up to the mark. Right? Okay, bye-bye and take care all of you.